Hello Augustians, hope you all are fine and well at your places. This is your art and craft time and today I am going to make you learn my family drawing. In this drawing I will make you learn father, mother, brother and sister. So get ready to learn this activity. To draw family day drawing, first of all we will start with kids. To draw a boy, draw a circle, then draw two semicircle for the hairs. For the eyes, just draw two dots. One V shape for the nose and a smile. For the body, we will draw an oval shape like this. Now draw collar of the boy like this. For the feet, draw two standing lines and two small oval shapes. Hands are left, but we will draw it later on. Now for the sister, draw one more circle. For the hairs, again two semicircles. Oh wow! We can draw ponies too in this way. Oh, it's great fun to draw hairs like this. Again, for the eyes, just draw two dots. You can draw two small sleeping lines for the eyebrows. V shape for the nose and one smile. For the dress, draw slant line like this and join it with a sleeping line. For the legs, draw two standing lines and oval shapes for the feet. You can do designing in the dress according to your choice. For the hands, draw slant lines like this. We are joining the hands of brother and sister. For the fingers, draw 5 lines in different directions. Now I am going to draw mother. Draw circle again. Again 2 semicircles and one standing line on the left and standing line on the right and join it with the face with sleeping line. 2 dots for the eyes, V shape for the nose and a smile. Draw some shades in the hairs. For the dress, draw slant lines and join it with sleeping line. Do designing according to your choice in the dress and draw collars. For the legs, again draw 2 standing lines and for the feet draw 2 oval shape. Now draw the hand of girl. She is holding the hand of her mother. Again draw slant line for the hand and 5 different lines for the fingers. Draw hands on the both sides. Now father is left. So draw a circle again. 2 semicircles for the hairs. Dots for the eyes. V shape for the nose and a smile. Now it's done to draw dress. Draw 2 slant lines and join it with sleeping line. Draw 2 V shape for the collar. To draw pants, just draw 2 standing lines. Again 2 standing lines for the legs. Join it with sleeping line. Again, draw 2 slant lines and oval shape for the feet. For the hands, again draw 1 slant line and 5 lines for the fingers. Son is holding the hand of father, so draw it like this. It will be completed by drawing slant lines. Now draw the buttons of the son's t-shirt and father's shirt. So, father, mother, brother and sister. A home is incomplete without family. So, in the background, I am drawing a home. Just draw a triangle and write family in it. Family. Now draw standing line on the right side and sleeping line in the bottom like this. Draw one door in this manner, one rectangle on the door. Now draw window. Now you can draw the trees on the both sides of the home. Students, you can also show your creativity according to your choice. Like I have made a home, trees around this family. So, this is a picture of family. Try this at home. Thank you so much.